And as I was saying, I'm cooking green beans, the string beans, with my onions and stuff in it. And I'm going to put some potatoes in them. If y'all look very closely, these potatoes here, I have already washed and cleaned. But this is the difference between here and the U.S. Now, I'm going to show y'all exactly what they come from. Come from out of the earth. Look at how dirty they are. As you can see, look at all the dirt on the potatoes, straight out the earth. So this is the convenience that we have in like the U.S. If you're not a farmer or live on a farm and eat your stuff straight from the earth, they have to be cleaned and make sure that you have like a proper, I guess like good potatoes when they package them. So all of that is included in the price when we get our potatoes back home in the U.S. of them cleaning them up and processing them and packaging them. And so, and the quality of the potato. But I think my husband said these here are called Irish potatoes. But anyway, I'm just showing you guys it's like an inconvenience in a way. But the good thing about in Africa, a lot of their stuff is natural without a lot of preservatives and all that stuff. Then, it's more healthy, I guess, without all those additives and stuff that they add to preserve the food like we have home. But yes, and these things take a long time to get the dirt off them. I mean, you actually look at the difference there and here of me cleaning these. And look, had to wash them really, really well before I peel them. You have to wash them very well. But anyway, guys, that's what I just wanted to show you. The life of putting a meal on the table in Africa versus in the U.S. As you can see. This was another thing that I found, guys. Like when I went out today, like we be having so many different type of noodles in the U.S. Look at these here, goat meat pepper soup flavor, and these things actually taste pretty good. I'm not a big noodle eater, but I found these, and the sodium is, as we can see, is 1,214 grams of sodium in them. And yes, it's goat meat pepper soup flavor. Then let's look over here. I found another flavor as well. And I just had to grab these. This one is called the Jollof chicken flavor. And the sodium is the same on this one as well. But I just had to grab these. And I seen these in Nigeria. All right, guys. This is what I'm cooking today. Like I told you, I'm in my husband's place. And these are the racks that I had to buy. His kitchen is very small. Like I said before in one of my other videos, it's only me and him. So we chose not to rent no big elaborate places like Lekki, Ikoyi, and all those places like that on Lagos Island. So we just making it work here. And so this is where I put all my seasonings. I needed to tidy the place up a little, tidied it up a little. I bought an egg container for our eggs. Of course, he got his crayfish powder in this container. But anyway, yes, this is what I'm making today, is what this video is about. I'm cooking some string beans, and I got onions in them, and I got my seasoning and a little bit of meat grease already in them. Cooking, ready to go.